What if the most powerful AI you've ever encountered didn't reside in a distant data center, but right on your own device? That's the revolutionary promise of Gemma 4. Google has unveiled its most advanced open weight models yet, engineered to operate seamlessly on your hardware. Whether it's a smartphone in your pocket, a laptop on your desk, or a full server rack in your office, Gemma 4 is designed to perform. Today, we will dive into what this means for you and why it transforms the landscape of technology as we know it. What is Gemma 4? Let's break it down into three key parts. First, the engine. It's built on the Gemini 3 architecture, which powers Google's flagship products, offering unmatched intelligence per parameter. You can choose between dense and mixture of experts variants. Second, the license. Gemma 4 uses Apache 2.0, allowing unrestricted commercial use, no user limits, and true open source freedom. Third, the privacy story. With 100% local inference, there are zero API costs and no data sent to the cloud. This means complete digital sovereignty and the ability to work fully offline. Introducing the Gemma 4 Arsenal. Gemma 4 isn't just one model, it's four distinct versions, each designed for a specific tier of hardware. Starting with the E2B or effective 2 billion parameters, this model is perfect for phones and edge IoT devices, featuring a 128K context window. Next, we have the E4B, tailored for everyday laptops. For consumer PCs and Macs, the 26B A4B is a mixture of experts model, boasting an impressive 256K context. Finally, at the pinnacle, the 31B dense flagship is engineered for high-end workstations, delivering maximum reasoning power. No matter your hardware, there's a Gemma 4 ready to meet your needs. Gemma 4 is not just a text model. It's a true multimodal reasoning engine. Let's explore its core capabilities. Long context allows for up to 256,000 tokens, equivalent to about 768 pages of text in a single prompt. With native vision and audio, the model can directly process images, audio, and video, utilizing variable visual token budgets for dynamic resolution. Agentic workflows are enhanced through native function calling and structured JSON output, making it perfect for creating autonomous AI agents. Plus, with global reach, Gemma 4 is trained in over 140 languages, significantly surpassing competitors in global accessibility. One of Gemma 4's most powerful features is called thinking mode. Here's how it works. A standard AI model takes your prompt and generates an answer immediately. This is fast, but it can lead to logical errors. In contrast, Gemma 4's thinking mode operates differently. By adding the special token to your prompt, the model first engages in an internal reasoning process. It drafts various approaches, self corrects logic, and checks calculations before providing a final refined answer. The results are impressive. Thinking mode enhances the 31B model's performance to 89.2% on the AIME 2026 Advanced Math Benchmark and 80% on Live Code Bench, competing with models 20 times its size. Welcome to the Openweight Showdown for April 2026. Today, we're comparing Gemma 4 with its closest rivals. First up is license freedom. Both Gemma 4 and Mistral Small 4 offer Apache 2.0 with no restrictions, while Llama 4 Scout is limited to 700 million monthly active users. Next, let's talk max context. Here, Llama 4 Scout takes the lead with 10 million tokens, but Gemma 4 and Mistral both provide 256K tokens, which is more than sufficient for most applications. Moving on to hardware target, Gemma 4 stands out as the clear winner, being the only model that scales from a phone to a high-end PC. Finally, in terms of modality, Gemma 4 shines with support for text, image, audio, and video, while its competitors only cover text and image. For years, the belief was clear. The best AI comes from the cloud, but that belief is changing. Cloud models like ChatGPT and Claude can cost $20 a month or more in API fees, send your data to external servers, and rely on your network speed. Enter Gemma 4, a 31 billion parameter model running locally. It's free forever, offers complete air-gapped privacy, and delivers instant response times. Here's the key takeaway. For 95% of everyday tasks like coding, drafting, and analysis, Gemma 4 is nearly indistinguishable from those pricey cloud subscriptions. The quality gap has truly closed. Who is Gemma 4 for? Let's break it down. If you're a privacy pro or work in enterprise environments handling sensitive legal, medical, or financial data, the 31B dense model is perfect for you. It allows you to process everything offline with zero data exposure. If you're an everyday coder looking for a fast, free AI pair programmer in your IDE, the 26B A4B MOE is your ideal choice. For those building offline mobile apps with voice and vision, the E2B model is tailored for edge developers like you. Lastly, if you're a researcher aiming to fine tune your own scientific data sets without licensing restrictions, the E4B or the 31B is what you need. Let's discuss the hardware requirements for running these models. The E2B model is highly accessible, needing just 4 to 5 gigabytes of RAM, making it suitable for smartphones or a Raspberry Pi 5. The E4B model requires 5.5 to 8 gigabytes, which is perfect for a standard laptop or MacBook Air. For the 26B A4B MOE, you'll need 16 to 18 gigabytes and a gaming PC with an RTX 4070 or any Mac M series can handle this effortlessly. Finally, the 31B dense flagship model demands 17 to 24 gigabytes, with an RTX 4090 or a Mac Studio being the ideal choices. Here's a pro tip. Apple Silicon's unified memory architecture is exceptional across all tiers, as it allows the GPU and CPU to share the same memory pool. Apple Silicon users receive a remarkable advantage with Gemma 4, thanks to a groundbreaking technique called OpenTQ Metal. The challenge it addresses is significant. Running a 256K context window with full FP32 precision demands a staggering 78 gigabytes, far exceeding the 64 GB limit of the M1 Max. However, with Int4KV cache compression, this requirement drops to just 19.5 gigabytes, fitting comfortably within the device's capabilities. The speed enhancement is astonishing, as the custom fused scaled dot product attention kernel achieves up to 48 times faster generation at longer context lengths. Additionally, there's a crucial architectural insight. Gemma 4 employs an attention scale of 1.0, allowing standard int4 quantization to maintain its reasoning quality with minimal loss. Ready to try it? You can be up and running in under 5 minutes with just 3 steps. Step 1. Visit Ollama.com and download Ollama. It installs natively on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Step 2. Open your terminal and run the command Ollama run Gemma 426B. This will download the model weights and start your local server instantly. Step 3. Enhance your experience by adding a visual UI. Tools like OpenWeb UI connect via localhost, providing you with a beautiful ChatGPT-like interface right on your desktop. That's it. 3 simple steps to your own private, free local AI. 2 quick pro tips to enhance your local setup. First, enable thinking mode by adding the think token at the beginning of your system prompt. Ensure your chat template aligns with the standard roles of system, assistant, and user. Second, avoid setting your context window to the maximum of 256K tokens by default. This can bottleneck your RAM and slow down performance. Instead, cap your standard chat context at 32K tokens. This approach will provide you with fast, accurate responses while keeping memory available for when you genuinely need longer contexts. Join the Gemmaverse. Your local AI journey starts today. Gemma 4 is available right now through Ollama, Hugging Face, Unsloth, Google AI Studio, Kaggle, and LM Studio. Take your pick. Remember, frontier intelligence is no longer something you rent. It's something you own. Run it on your terms, on your hardware, for free. The local AI revolution is here, and it fits in your laptop bag. Thank you.